Another variation of that same step, Arrebata. And so that one is, like you see sometimes in just salsa suelta, that little kick out to the side. If we want to get the feel for that, if you pretend there's something balancing on your head, you get your knees a little bit, put one foot out to the side, and then the other side, we don't want to disrupt the teacup, out to the side, out to the other side, out to the side, out to the other side. We're just changing back and forth. So when we eventually do it, we're going to be doing it in a circle where there are more vectors of motion. And so sometimes it can get a little hoppy, I've noticed. So if we practice that one first, it tends to be helpful. We can also do it with a partner. So with our partner, if we get in the knees a little bit, pretend there's teacups on our head, and we go out to one side, and we try not to disrupt the teacup, and we go to the other, and back, and forth, and back, and forth. And you don't have to rotate while you do it, but we're gonna, and forth, and back, and forth. And what the leads can do also is we can look to where our foot is going, and it's gonna give a little signal with the torso as well. So if we're over here, boom, 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 we can see if we can put it in our forward and back. So we'd have 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 circles, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We can go for it, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, boom, boom, 2, 3, boom, boom, 6, 7, boom, boom, 2, 3, boom, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Arrebata, 6, 7, boom, boom, 2, 3, boom, boom, 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 6, 7, 8. Arrebata, 8, 6, 7, pa, 2, 3, pa, pa, 6, 7, pa, pa, 2, 3, pa, pa, 6, 7, pa, pa, 2, 3, pa, pa, 6, 7, pa, pa.